Navriti joins us now with more on this story. Navriti, this NDA meeting gets underway at 4 p.m. There is no doubt that the alliance is in a comfortable position to form the government. But given that this is going to be a coalition government for the first time in a decade, helmed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is there a sense that there could be a lot of pulls and pressures this time around within the NDA, something that we hadn't seen at all in the last two terms?
Okay, let me first of all show you the shots and visuals of the residence of Chandrababu Naidu in Delhi. It's 50 Ashoka Road, where you can see the barricades have been placed in. The media is waiting for him to arrive here. He is the kingmaker right now, and he is expected to arrive any time soon now. And leaders have already started pouring in. They have already started coming in here at his residence at 50 Ashoka Road, and he is expected to reach any time now. Within 10-15 minutes or half an hour or so, he will be here, and after this he will be heading towards the NDA meeting, which will be held at the Prime Minister's residence of all the NDA allies. Now, talking about the numbers, if you talk about the numbers of NDA alliance, they, along with, even if they combine the numbers of the independent winning candidates, then also they don't have the numbers right now. So and NDA alliance, the numbers of NDA, they are short of majority. The BJP is short of majority by around 32 seats that they are lacking. But if we talk about the NDA alliance, they are in a clear majority. Now, what the NDA alliance is looking up to, and also the India alliance is looking up to, is because India alliance cannot form the government without taking in or grabbing the parties in alliance with BJP. So their primary objective right now will be to grab either Chandrababu Naidu or Nitish Kumar, or the parties in alliance with NDA. Without this, there is no possibility for them to gain numbers to form the government. So this is what is happening right now in Delhi. The leaders from various parties, from regional parties, are pouring in Delhi, and there are two very important meetings happening in Delhi today. One is of the NDA alliance, that is at 3:30 p.m. at Prime Minister's residence, where leaders will be gathering, and we are expecting Chandrababu Naidu to be here any time soon in his residence, after which he will be leaving for the meeting in the Prime Minister's residence. And after that, there is a meeting of India alliance also at 6 p.m. So we are expecting, trying to show you the visuals of the kingmaker who will be arriving here and who will be looked up to by both the alliances, whether it is NDA or India alliance. They both will be focusing upon, they will both try to grab him. As far as Chandrababu Naidu is concerned, yesterday he had tweeted on X. He had said, made his intentions clear about that he will be in favor of NDA, because there had been a seat sharing formula on the basis of which they had. Now you can see the visuals of, I guess my cameraman can show you better, it's Chandrababu Naidu who has arrived here at 50 Ashoka Road. He is the person who has a big number of seats, around 16 seats. That is a big number for anybody to form a government, for any alliance to form a government. So Chandrababu Naidu has arrived here at 50 Ashoka Road, and now he will be leaving to Prime Minister's residence for the meeting of NDA alliance. So we were talking about the role that he will be playing. With 16 seats, he is a big kingmaker in this entire scenario. And I was also talking about the two meetings happening in Delhi, one at 6 p.m. of India alliance and another of NDA that will be happening at 3:30 p.m. Numbers numbers only matter if you break the NDA allies from the NDA and you grab those numbers. Only then there is a possibility for India alliance to make a government. Otherwise, if you think that if they think that they don't have, simply they don't have numbers, India alliance and independents together, they don't have those numbers. So everybody, every leader will be eyeing on the NDA allies. Now, as far as the statements have been coming in, and the leaders of BJP and Congress and India alliance, they have been speaking to Chandrababu Naidu, Nitish Kumar, making calls to them, Chirag Paswan, everybody they are talking to, so that everyone can make an arrangement which is favorable to them, which can make them form the government. So they are making every effort. As far as statements have been coming in, like Sanjay Raut had yesterday said that Nitish Kumar and Chirag Paswan or the other allies should think about it, whether they still want to support an autocrat. The statements like this are coming in, then Tejasvi.
And also it's very interesting, Nivriti, sorry, we're running out of time, but you know, a lot of past videos of Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu being very critical of Prime Minister Modi, very critical of the BJP, are being circulated on the social media by the India Alliance. But that will be far from enough for them to get the two leaders to switch sides and join hands with them.